Hi, Sen with Nepenthe here. Today, we're going to be talking about oxygen concentrators. Concentrators are a vital part of most oxygen therapy regimens. Almost all patients with an order for supplemental oxygen will utilize a concentrator when at home or in their room at a care facility. Oxygen makes up 20.9% of the air we breathe. Concentrators draw in air from around the machine, commonly referred to as room air, and concentrate it into a mix of at least 86% oxygen and often as high as 96 to 98% oxygen. This enriched mix is then delivered to the patient via a nasal cannula or oxygen mask. Concentrators do not use any type of reserve tank, but rather rely exclusively on room air. This means as long as the unit is functioning properly, it can produce oxygenated air continuously. Oxygen is an accelerant and necessary part of the combustion process. When present in higher concentrations, it can increase the chance of rapid combustion taking place. Oxygen itself does not burn, but makes other flammable items such as clothing or hair more likely to combust. For this reason, open flame should be kept at a minimum of 25 feet from all working concentrators and patients using oxygen. Nepenthe provides no smoking signage that should be displayed in front of every room where oxygen therapy is used.
Let's have a look at some of the concentrators offered by Nepenthe. Here we have the Everflow from Respironics, an industry standard. It is capable of liter flows per minute of 0.25 all the way up to 5 LPMs. Along the front is the black power switch, 3 function lights, liter flow dial, and a metal cannula connector where the enriched oxygen mix is dispensed. Along the back, we can see the air intake vent, humidifier bottle holder, power cord, and filter cover. The air intake vent should never be blocked and should be kept at least 8 inches from any surface and away from hanging cloth such as curtains or bedding. A blocked intake vent makes the unit work much harder, increasing machine noise and heat output, as well as decreasing the oxygen purity and airflow delivered to the patient. Here are 2 other commonly used concentrators, the Millennium, also from Respironics, and the Platinum XL from Invacare. Other than minor layout differences, such as air intake vent placement, they all function similarly to the Everflow. The only exception to this being the oxygen dispensing port on the Millennium is a threaded male receptacle for directly connecting a humidifier bottle to the unit. If a humidifier bottle is not desired, an adapter to allow direct cannula connection is available. Concentrators should always be plugged directly into a wall outlet, never into an extension cord or power strip. The power button is a basic on-off switch. Simply depress the button to turn on or off. When first activated, the machine's emergency alarm will sound for 2 to 3 seconds as part of the startup process. The 3 function lights next to the switch will be illuminated as well. After several seconds, the red and yellow lights will turn off and the green light will remain lit as normal operations begin. The green light indicates that the concentrator is on and functioning normally. Green means all is a go. The yellow light indicates that there is a problem with the airflow. Typically, this is a non-mechanical issue, such as a blocked intake vent or kinked delivery hose. Yellow means investigation is needed. See our troubleshooting concentrators video for more information. The red light indicates that there is an internal mechanical failure of some kind. The red light is frequently accompanied by the emergency alarm sound and/or by the machine ceasing to run. Concentrators that have alarmed and/or had their red light activated should be pulled from service and marked for repair. Red means stop using and replace. The alarm will also sound anytime the unit loses power, whether from an outage or simply from being unplugged while running. The indicator lights can vary from machine to machine. Some units do not have a yellow warning light, and others will use a yellow or orange light to indicate all functions normal, while still others have no light at all to indicate when they are active. Once the machine is activated, the small black ball inside the liter flow gauge will raise to the current liter flow being dispensed by the unit. Turn the knob to the left to increase flow, or to the right to decrease it. Each time the unit is used, be sure to confirm the LPMs are set to the amount specified in the patient's O2 order. The cannula ports can have a cannula, mask, or supply tube attached directly to them. If desired, an adapter can be used to attach a humidifier bottle to machines with direct cannula ports. See our cannulas and other disposable supplies video for more info.
Oxygen concentrators are robust pieces of medical equipment which are capable of continuous operation for extended periods of time. This being said, they will function better with regular breaks. When a patient is not actively using a concentrator, turn it off. This saves wear and tear on the machine, which improves overall performance for the patient, as well as decreasing electricity use and heat output. As previously mentioned, the air intake vents should never be blocked and should be kept a minimum of 8 inches from any surface. They should also be kept away from loose items such as curtains or bedding, which can easily be drawn towards the vents and hinder air intake. Whenever possible, concentrators should be kept in clean, low-dust environments. Filters inside the machine purify the air before delivering it to the patient. The cleaner the air entering the machine, the less strain is placed on the internal mechanisms, which improves overall operational quality of the unit, as well as the quality of the air delivered to the patient. Concentrators should also be kept away from heating vents and radiators. Concentrators are hardy, user-friendly pieces of equipment. Simple operational and care techniques can keep them running smoothly and increase the satisfaction of our patients. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.